Have you ever had issues with a hole saw getting a little squirrely on you when you're trying to extend the size of a hole or just making another hole in general? Well, here's a quick tip. Take a scrap piece of wood, take the hole saw, drill a hole for the hole saw, then cut that board off into a smaller manageable piece. Then that's where this board comes into play. All I do is apply a bit of hot glue to the back side of the board, which fastens the board securely, and you're able to remove it afterwards. The template positions the hole saw perfectly, which makes it extremely easy to drill the hole in place without it getting squirrely on you.
Perfect 1.5 inch hole.